Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah with Sarah Plans Life, and today we are planning the week of September 14th through the 20th. I've gotten some more subscribers this week, so welcome. I put out videos every Monday of my plan with me's, and then I try to put out a bonus video on Thursdays, and I've been getting that sometimes. But the Monday videos are every Monday. Excuse me while I take a drink of my mics. It's been a long week. So, since I'm not pregnant, I am drinking Mike's Hard Lemonade tonight, and it's delicious. I wish they had the other flavors, but apparently the liquor stores are having a Mike's Hard Lemonade shortage. I don't know what the heck's going on, but can't find it anywhere. And that's literally the only alcohol I drink because I am a big baby. Anyway, so I love how this spread turned out this week. Purple is my favorite color, and this is gorgeous. I'm so happy with how this turned out. I didn't really need to add too much this week. I actually pretty much stick to my schedule. I didn't have anything else come up, and so it worked out great. So today, actually, at Taekwondo, while I was sitting in the parking lot, I went through my planner notebooks. Here's one that has my planner cake kits in it. And I went through and labeled all of my kits finally to say when I'm going to use them. Because I've been kind of winging it each week, and I realized that I have so many kits that I really needed to make sure I kind of delegated to where they're at so I don't buy too many like fall kits, because I love the fall kits. They're so beautiful. But I didn't want to buy too many and have too many for the fall time. So I'm like, okay, let's look and see what we got. And I'm actually good to go until I buy all of my December kits, because I am going crazy with the Christmas kits this year because I can, and I'm excited. So this week, take off my sticky note here. This week I am using kit 250. Another purple kit. Don't judge me. Purple's amazing. So I got the thin washi add-on as well, because I really like having the thin washi to kind of put at the top here, just to add a little something up here, because we've got the thick washi down here, and then this just kind of ends up seeming a little blank to me. So I like having the thin washi to add up there as well. So we are going to use this kit. So I am going to go through and do my whole outline, and then I'll be right back and we'll kind of get to planning and get to chatting. Okay, here it is, and it is a purple beauty. I love it so far. I'm very excited. Okay, so on to this week. First thing Monday morning, I'm getting the oil changed in my car plus an inspection. Fun stuff, let me tell you. I don't know, there's nothing really exciting to say about that. I think my registration was due in like July. But with Texas right now, they still have that like grace period pretty much. So I'm like, yeah, dude, I'll just wait. Okay, and then I'm going to lay down all of Scotty's morning meeting stickers. So he has his morning meeting for school with his teacher every morning at 9:20. And that's been going good. We actually just found out yesterday that his schedule is changing again. He's with the same teacher, but now that she's been with them for a little bit and they've done their testing to see where they're at, she's able to put them in different learning groups, essentially different small groups, to be able to teach them effectively, which I think is super clever, and I'm all for it. So it looks like he is in the kind of lowest reading level. She says not to worry about that because, you know, right now what they're supposed to be doing is read to the teacher, which is really hard. Like, they're supposed to read like on camera. It's supposed to be recorded. And that's just kind of difficult for him, and it's totally fine. Like, she's like, you know, it's okay, you know, so she's like, I'm not too concerned. She's like, but if, you know, after these next few weeks we don't see an improvement, that's when we'll want to start doing a little extra to kind of get him up a little more. And then for his math, he's actually in the highest level for math. He loves math. He is great at math. And that did not surprise me that he was in the higher level for math. So it's just a very interesting setup. But I'm very proud of him for working so hard. And this school has just been really hard, and I'm just, we are working through this the best we can. So Monday isn't going to be too busy. Tuesday, Juliette has preschool, and then the kids have a dentist appointment at 3. Oh, let's see. I have special dentist stickers. That's right. Okay. So since this is a purple kit, we're going to use a purple sticker. So the one thing I don't like about these stickers is that they don't really fit here in the hourly. I think these probably are supposed to be more for the monthly layout. Yeah, because that looks better there, but it's fine. I'm going to use it here. I'm going to put it next to the time so the time is still there. Nope, I'm going to put it on top of the time. I'd rather have it all the way to the left. This sticky notes, so I love using these sticky notes for pre-planning when I am planning as I go, essentially, if that makes sense. So today, before I started filming this video, I laid out all these stickers. Most of these stickers, not these ones, these had been there. But most of these stickers I laid out before I started planning. And so they don't stick very well because they haven't had time with the book shut, kind of squishing them in there. Let's see. So they just haven't had the time to really get nice and sticky in there. So they just kind of fly all over the place, which is a pain. All right, so Taekwondo that day is at 5:45. So after I'm done with this planner, I'm going to be switching to a plum paper planner. Oof, it's a tongue twister. And I am so excited to be kind of just shifting to a new brand. I'm excited to try something new and to see how it works out for me. And this is my first year actually using a life planner. And I've really enjoyed it, but I would like to try a new brand and try new things. And I've really liked how super customizable the plum paper planners are. Difficult to say, but very customizable planners. So I'm excited to see how that turns out. I'm also kind of nervous too because I don't want to commit to one way of doing things for a whole year. Because as I've used this planner, I've done things differently as I've gone on and stuff, and so it's kind of scary to me to be hey, I'm going to commit to putting things in the planner this way for a whole year. Oof, that's a long commitment. So this last week here, Scotty had his first sparring class with his full sparring gear in Taekwondo since before the pandemic started. And oh man, he loved it. It was so weird because he was the highest ranking kid in that class. And he had only had one full sparring class before that. And he's had sparring classes this whole time. That class has still been there, but they have not been wearing their full sparring gear, so they haven't been doing any kind of contact. It's been a lot of theory, a lot of footwork. So it was a lot of fun for him to get to actually, this sounds crazy, but to get to actually hit people. But what was a bummer for me, which I don't know if this makes me sound like a bad parent or not, but since he was the highest ranking kid there, he was the best one there. And I really wished that there was someone that was higher ranking than him that he could spar with that would really challenge him and knock him down and really make him work for it. But there wasn't. It's okay. Does that make me a bad parent? I don't think so. I want him to be challenged. I want him to have fun, and I want him to, I don't want things to just be easy for him. For me, growing up, anytime I was never challenged. Anytime I tried to do things, I was able to do it, and it was you know, it was a done deal. I never needed to study for school and got straight A's. So going to college was like the most ridiculous culture shock I'd ever had because suddenly I had to study. Don't worry, guys, I didn't, and I dropped out of college. Stay in school, kids. I did end up going to cosmetology school, and I love being a cosmetologist. So not much going on Thursday, just school, taekwondo, and then Juliette's taekwondo. Friday, we are taking Bo to go get his first, like we're taking him to the groomer for the first time. He's been to the groomer before, but this is our first time taking him, if that makes sense. Actually, I'm going to use a big sticker here so I can write down the price so I don't forget the price. Yeah, I'm going to use a big sticker because I want to be able to write down how much it's going to cost. So he is a 20-pound, we're pretty sure he's a schnoodle, a schnauzer doodle mix. So he's 20 pounds, he's a schnoodle, so he's got, you know, kind of that curly hair, but it's straight on his little face and stuff, so he needs to be groomed often. So that's that. All right, and then we've got football here. We are, of course, since we are here in the Dallas area, we are big Cowboys fans, and one year for James's birthday, I surprised him with a tour of the Star, the Cowboys practice stadium. It was really cool, and we got to meet Jason Garrett back when he was coach. So that was a lot of fun. But yeah, so football's back. We are very excited about football being back. I don't know if we're going to have a full season. I honestly don't think we will. But we will just see. All right, so here is meal planning right there. Then we're going to edit this video, or no, not this video, next week's video on Sunday. Look at me, we're doing real good on this sheet. Okay, so let's see. Do I have any reason to use this sticker this week? Not really, unless I'm excited about the kids going to the dentist. No, I don't care. Let's see, let's add this little coffee doodle. We'll add her here. It's funny, when I was going through my cycling to do the IVF for the surrogacy, I completely stopped drinking coffee in the mornings because for me it was like, okay, I want to be the best that I can be. I'm just going to cut out coffee altogether. No big deal. But now that I'm not pregnant right now, I'm like, yeah, sure, coffee in the mornings again. I'm not having as bad of you're going to laugh. I'm not having as bad of hot flashes as I was on the medicine. So I'll wake up and I won't be completely 100% hot. So it makes it a little easier to have coffee in the morning. Okay. So I'm going to fill everything in with pen. This week, on this stuff, I used my regular Staedtler pen. But on this other stuff, I'm going to try and use the pen that I got in the seasonal surprise box. I already posted a video unboxing that a few days ago, if you guys want to go check that out. So I'm going to try this out and see how it works. I'm hoping it doesn't bleed a ton. I don't think it will, but we're going to try it and see. So I'm going to fill everything in, and then I will be right back and we will recap. Okay, I'm bringing you guys back for a minute here. I can't tell, I don't know what this is called, but it's kind of spreading, if that makes sense. It doesn't look as crisp and neat as I was hoping it would. I'm not quite sure. Maybe I'm holding the pen wrong? I don't know. What do y'all think? Am I making stuff up here? I don't know. I just feel like it just doesn't look as nice as I thought it would. So we're switching back to the other pen. I will carry on. Okay, there we go. I don't know. Once I switched over to my pen, I felt like I had more control. I don't know if you can see the difference. I'm going to zoom you guys in. I'll zoom you in here. See the difference between this one here and this one here? doesn't it seem a little crisper? Or am I just talking crazy? Maybe I'm talking crazy. I don't know. Okay, but here it is. Here's the finished spread. I love it. I love purple. I set these stickers out in the hopes that I would use them, but I still got nothing, you guys. I've got nothing. Do you have these stickers? How do you use them? Let me know in the comments down below how you use them, and maybe I will get an idea of how I want to use these stickers. I love them. They're so cute with the little bows, but dang it, I just cannot think of a way to use them. Yeah, I don't know. Hopefully I can come up with something, but thank you so much for watching, and thank you for subscribing to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button down below. I am looking forward to making more videos and gaining more subscribers, and I just love having conversations with you. I love any dialogue that we have in the comments. I try to answer every comment as soon as I can, because it's just fun getting to talk to you and hearing from other people. So comment down below. Tell me your favorite color. Mine's purple, as I've said multiple times in this video, because I can't stop talking about purple. But let me know, what's your favorite color? Comment. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.